Televisions let people watch news, shows, and movies. The first televisions were black and white, created in the 1920s and 30s. Color TVs became popular in the 1950s. Televisions are used for entertainment and information. Over time, they became larger, thinner, and smarter. Today, smart TVs connect to the internet and stream videos. Televisions contain plastics, metals, and LED or LCD screens. They are often made in Asia. The environment is affected by the large size and short lifespan of televisions. Most people watch TV daily. An interesting fact, people spend over 3 hours a day watching TV on average. Televisions cost between $150 and $3,000, depending on the brand and size. They changed how people relax, learn, and enjoy stories.
When were the first televisions created? 1920s and 30s? 1950s? 2000s? When did color televisions become popular? 1940s? 1950s? 1970s? What is a feature of smart TVs today? They are black and white. They connect to the internet. They cannot show news. On average, how many hours a day do people spend watching TV? 1 hour. 2 hours. More than 3 hours. What materials are televisions made of? Plastics, metals, and LED or LCD screens? Wood, plastic, paper, and LCD screens. Glass, plastic, stone, and LED.
I hope you liked the video. Want to study more? Grab the text and PDF here, and you can also visit my website for more English activities. See you!